AI can already write. It can paint, speak, even compose music. It learns faster than any of us ever could. So, what's left for humans? What can it replace? What skill will still matter when intelligence becomes infinite? It's not coding. It's not speed. It's not even knowledge. Because knowledge is everywhere now and machines remember everything. But there's something AI still can't do. Something no algorithm can simulate. It can process, but it can't perceive. It can mimic emotion, but it can't feel truth. The skill that will outlast AI is awareness. Awareness of what drives you. Awareness of how others feel. Awareness of what matters when noise takes over. Because the future won't belong to those who know more, but to those who see deeper. Machines predict. Humans perceive. That's the difference. AI will tell you what's efficient, but it can't tell you what's right. It can analyze your words, but not your intentions. It can simulate empathy, but it can't mean it. You see, logic can't lead hearts, and the world still runs on emotion. That's why awareness isn't just survival, it's evolution. The future won't reward those who just build systems, but those who understand the people inside them. Awareness creates direction, and direction creates meaning. AI can tell you what to do, but only awareness can tell you why. That's how you stay human, in a world that forgets what being human means. So don't rush to compete with technology. It's not a race. It's a mirror. It's showing us what we lack. Patience, empathy, reflection, curiosity. The very things we abandon chasing speed. And maybe that's what AI is teaching us. That what truly matters was never about being faster. It's about being aware. The world will change. The tools will change. But awareness that's timeless. Because no matter how advanced machines become, awareness is what makes us human. BehaveYour. Understand people. Understand yourself.